The site which you are seeing here is Rainy Research and Manufacturing Unit, situated at Hadihalli, Chikmagalur district, Karnataka state, India. This is around 5 acres of land. Whatever rainfall falls here, it has been diverted through proper channels, piping, filters, and both the side boundary. We have incorporated around 8 injection wells. Once these 8 injection wells get filled, and also continuous recharging, and whenever heavy rain, like yesterday's last 2 days it is raining here heavily, continuously. So excess water we are diverted through undergrounding piping system. These underground piping system, before letting the water into that, we have created small chamber with V-wire. There is no any open drain, you can see. Open drain is a complicated one because whatever dirt particles, drainage blockage, maintenance, loss of space, everything can be avoided with this type of undergrounding piping and letting the water into the underground piping through proper V-wire screen. In the means is a small filter and easy to get it clean. One person, he can just cycle and run around the boundary and get it cleaned. Now, whatever excess water after this injecting 8 injection wells, finally it will reaches to a master injection well at a distance. You can see it from here. I will reach near that point also. That near that master injection well, it is get recharged. Then it will go to the open well. You can also see there. The open well is full. Then you can see this lake. This lake is around 10 lakh liter capacity. Is brim full now. You can see here, full of water. And this is full means then we have made provision excess water to flow outside. I will just show it to you within 1 minute. You can see it here. This is the master injection well. So now almost water reached ground level. Any excess water through this funnel, it will flow outside. There is one channel. From channel it is goes to the nearby rivulets and rivers. So very rare case we allow the water to flow, but this yesterday's and today's rainfall, almost this water is full. Not even a drop of water flown outside. It is full now. You can see both lake, this injection well, and rest of the injection well also getting recharged, and excess water only reached here. Now I will take you to the well also, open well. This is the open well. This is around 7 meters in dia and 15 meters deep, full of water. You can see. See, we can just touch the water. I'll just show it to you. See the beauty of rainwater harvesting. Just 2 days rain only. So this unit is now almost getting ready for the live demonstration, manufacturing system, training center, everything, but minimum 2 to 3 months it takes. Then it is ready for public view.